The exterior of a two-story colonial building on a street in New Orleans, which is named Elysian Fields and runs between the L and N tracks and the river. And then
Hey there, Stella, baby.
What hot you like that? Hi, Mitch.
Hi, Stella. Catch.
What? Stanley, where are you going?
Holy.
Can I come watch?
Come.
Okay.
Blanche walking in the street and find for Stella place.
What's the matter, honey? Are you loose?
Yes, he told me to take a streetcar named Desire and get 6 blocks from this at Elysian Fields.
That's where you are now.
At Elysian Fields?
This here is Elysian Field.
He told me he'd never know what number I wanted.
What number are you looking for?
Wait. 632.
You just did miss her.
Is it her home?
She's got the downstairs here and I got the up.
Oh, so she is out?
Well, she is watching her husband ball. And you want to leave your suitcase and go find her?
No. I'll go tell her you come. Okay, thank you. Welcome.
It's sort of messed up right now, and if it's clean, it's real sweet.
Is it?
I think so. So, you are Stella's sister?
Yes.
Stella's both of you.
Yes.
And I think she said you're top school.
Yes.
And you are from Mississippi?
Yes.
She showed me a picture about your home place.
Valerie, if you will excuse me, I'm just about to draw.
Sure, honey. Why don't you sit down?
What I mean is, leave alone.
Oh, I'll make myself scared in that case.
I didn't mean it to be rude, but I'm so sorry. Stella!
What, Blanche?
What are you doing here? Look at this place.
It's not bad.
Oh my god, Stella. But, okay, my appearance, how would be?
You look fine.
But I want to tell you something, but don't be angry to me.
What, Blanche?
I took the blow in my face. Father, mother, Margaret. All of the dreadful day. That is expensive, Stella. Only poor Jessie will pay for it. Where are you, Stella? You are there. That's enough. Where are you going, Stella?
I'm going to bed to wash my face.
Shh. I'm sorry, Stella. Are you crying?
Does this surprise you?
Forgive me, Stella. You must be Sandy. I'm Blanche.
Stella's sister?
Yes,
Where's Stella?
in the bedroom.
You are coming in town. Where are you from, Blanche?
I'm from Berlin.
Oh, you are a teacher, aren't you?
Yes,
And what do you teach, Blanche?
English.
I never was a very good English student. How long you here for, Blanche?
I'm doing it.
Hey, Stella!
Yes, Stanley.
It is 6 o'clock the following evening. Blanche is bathing. Stella is completing her toilet. Blanche there's a flowered print is laid out on Stella's bed. Stanley enters the kitchen from outside.
I'm taking Blanche to Galatoris for supper and then to the show because it's still poker night.
So? How about my supper, huh? I'm not going to Nogalator's for supper.
I put your couplet on ice.
Well, isn't it just dandy?
I'm going to try to keep Blanche up till the party because I don't know how she will take it.
So where is it?
She's soaking in a hot tub for quite a night for her sister to be upset.
Over what?
She's been through such as over.
Yeah?
Stag, we've lost that already.
The place in the country?
Yes.
How?
Oh, it's surprise or something.
She didn't show no paper.
It seemed like she wasn't so.
For what? Karate?
Shh! Stanley, she'll hear you.
I don't care if she hear me. Let's see the papers.
They were in the paper. I didn't saw in the paper and I don't care about papers.
Have you ever heard about Napoleonic Code?
Not Stanley. I haven't heard about the Napoleonic Code. If I have, I'll see what it.
Let me enlighten you on a point or two, baby.
Yes?
Stella, in the states of Louisiana, we have a Napoleonic Code, according to which what belongs to the wife and what belongs to the husband and vice versa. For instance, if I had a piece of property or you had a piece of property,
My head is swimming.
I'll wait until she gets through soaking in the hot tub and I'll inquire if she's with the Napoleonic Code.
The sent to us for question later. But if you do not, still go to pieces. I don't know what happened to Damerita, but you don't know how to read because you are a being when you suggest, or my sister, or I, or anyone of my families could have printed a spinal cap or anyone else.
So where's the money if the place was sold?
Not so. Lost and loose.
Blanche comes with the dress and Stanley keep asking Blanche some question. But there is Stella and Stanley keep making Stella busy by asking Stella going somewhere. And then
Okay, Stanley. The poor little thing was out there listening to us. And I have an idea. She doesn't understand you well as I do. Alright, now let us proceed without any double thought. I'm ready to answer your questions right now. I have nothing to hide. What is it?
There's such a thing in this state as Louisiana and as the Napoleonic Code, according to which whatever belongs to my wife, me, and vice versa.
I haven't cheated my sister, you, or anyone else as long as I have lived.
Where's the paper? In the trunk?
Everything that I own is in the trunk. Blanche, I'm sorry, he did that to you. Okay, no problem. I love and treat all as a job.
then Stanley and friends play the card.
Anything wild is there?
Well, maybe jacks are wild.
Give me 3 cards.
Mitch?
I'm out.
What?
Anyone want to shop?
Yeah, me.
Why did somebody go to China and bring a lot of copy of sweet?
When I'm losing, you want to eat.
Kind of on your high horse, ain't you?
How many?
Give me 2.
Oh, I'm out again. I want to go home soon.
Shut up.
Doesn't go to sleep until I come in at night.
Why you don't come with her?
She says to go out, so I go out, but I don't enjoy it.
Oh, alright then.
When they play, Blanche comes and did a bad thing in front of the other. Then Stanley slapped Stella's thing. Then she angry and go far from them and directly meet Mitch.
Mitch?
Hi, Stella.
Balance, this is Mitch Harrow. This is my sister, Belle's boys.
Hello.
Mitch, how about your mother now?
About the same thing. Oh yeah, she appreciated your standing over the custard. Excuse me, please.
Huh? What the fuck? What the hell? Hey, stop it! Stanley, stop it! Ow!
Oh, bitch. Stella.
Stop! No, stop! Stop, Stanley! Stanley! Stop! Here! Stay!
What happened here?
What's wrong?
Okay, bring him to the bed and take her home.
After something happened, evidently Stella back to Stanley. Then Blanche comes.
Oh my god, Stella! What are you doing here? Back to this place?
Yeah.
After what he did to you? She already do it every day and I'm tolerant with that. I don't know what is in your mind. Let's find some idea. What? Do you remember Sitehang Lake? course you remember said Hot Lake. I went out with him at college and wore his pin for a while. Well, I ran into him last winter. You know I went to Miami during the Christmas holiday?
No.
Well, I did. I took the trip as investment, thinking I'll meet someone with $1 million.
They want to go far from Stanley, but they could because Stella really loves Stanley and don't want to let Blanche go alone.
Hey, Stella!
Stanley!
Stella!
I want.
Stella, Ben's back!
Yes, this bag.
Stella!
You must get under the car.
Then they come back home, and Ricky Blanche talk to Stella about something.
Stella! Yes, Blanche? What's the matter? Do you hear something about me?
What do you mean?
Yeah, a gossip.
I don't hear gossip about you.
Why
Hey,
you
feel nervous?
No, because teacher's coming at 7 and I haven't told him about my age. What? Give me a good night.
Do you like him?
Yeah, I want him really.
The young man approached, stroked the portieres. She regards him with interest.
Yeah, come in. Well, what can I do for you?
I'm collecting for the evening stuff.
I don't know the stuff to cut collection.
It's the paper?
I was joking. Will you have a drink?
No, ma'am. No, thank you. I can absorb.
Oh, no. I'm just a poor lady. And I'm not the lady of this house. And I'm the sister from the Mississippi. And I'm the one poor that you have heard.
That's alright. I'll drop the letter.
Hey, could you give me a like?
Sure. This doesn't always work, ma'am.
Oh, this is temporary rental?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What time is it now?
15 of 7, ma'am.
So wet. And the outside is raining. You didn't get the rain?
No, ma'am. I stepped inside.
In the drugstore? And have a soda? Chocolate?
No, ma'am. Cherry.
Cherry?
Yeah, cherry soda.
My mom.
Well, I'd be going.
When Blanche and Mitch go out and have a talk, Mitch asks something to Blanche.
Yeah?
Can I know your age?
Why do you ask me about that?
Nothing, but my mother wants to know about you.
Did you tell your mother about me?
Yeah, I know, but she wouldn't have a long age, but I want to make her happy.
In the home,
Who is here?
Like Stanley, she's having a bad time.
Stella!
Yes, Blanche?
Stella, can you take a towel for me?
Yeah, sure. Wait for it. Blanche.
What's the matter, honey?
Matter? Why?
You have such frank expressions.
I'm guess a little tired.
Why don't you bed up soon? Long. Possess your soul in patience.
It's not my soul, it's my kidney. I'm worried about. Hey, well, what do you think of it?
I don't believe all of the stories.
Flighty.
Stanley, she told me what her going made her. I was hoping so.
Well, he's not going to marry her.
Blanche get out from the bedroom and they argue each other.
Tell me a story.
Do you like my story? I can tell you one of it.
A little later that evening, Blanche is seated.
Who is it, please?
Me.
Mitch? Just a minute. Okay, come in. Have a seat, Mitch.
You lied to me, Blanche.
Don't say I lied to you.
Lies, inside and out. All lies.
Never inside. I never lie in my heart. Oh, somebody outside.
Who is it?
I don't know. Let me check first.
Okay.
Flores, para Robertos.
No.
Flores, corones.
Grumble and go.
I've been missing all summer.
Then marry me, Mitch.
I don't think I want to marry you anymore.
No.
You're not clean enough to bring in the house with my mother.
Oh my God! Then go away. Go. I'll spray fire.
Okay, fine.
Go. Fire.
When Stella have a baby, Stanley and Blanche live in the apartment.
How is the baby?
Look fine.
Fine. Oh. So you just put a pass here.
Yes.
Oh my God! What? Please, no.
Why?
When they keep arguing one another, Blanche has been raped by Stanley. A few weeks later, in Kowalski's apartment, Stella and Unique fake Blanche's thing because Blanche will give to the psychiatric hospital because of the incident happened. But however, Blanche told Stella that about the incident. Stella still don't believe it. And then
Did you forget something?
Yes, I forget something.
Doctor, you better go in.
Hello, Blanche.
She said that she forgot something.
That's alright.
Blanche, what do you forget?